Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this module, we are going to see what is 3D animation. So first we are going to see introduction of 3D animation. So if you are a beginner in 3D, you are just stepping into a huge world of creativity. So what does it take to be a 3D artist? Obviously, you must have an eye for art. Most of the people who are a beginner in 3D have some kind of background in sketching and drawing. But the people who don't have this kind of background can also learn 3D animation. The internet is amazing for learning 3D animation, but it's scattered all over the web. So our main motivation to create the extension tutorial for the beginner in this field. So first we are going to show you my CG art, which will show you to how 3D models are created. So in this model is a gaming character is created by me in a 3D software. There are many 3D software like a 3D Max, Maya, Blender and many other 3D software that you can learn for particular character modeling, animation and much more expecting. In the next video we are going to see what is 3D animation.